Welcome back, everybody. And as you can hear in the background, there's something running outside. But I've got all our stuff ready, prepped. It's ready to prime. I got the car stripped back down. The ECM is on its way back. It hasn't got here yet. But everything's ready for primer. Except for these two pieces, and I've still got to clean them up on the back side a little bit. But I'm going to move some cars around today and move some cars around and see if we can get some green and some primer spray today on the doors, hood, hatch, and the bumpers. So just follow along and we'll see what we get into today. Alright, and it's a little while later and I'm just trying to get everything kind of set up out here because this is an undertaking to paint these panels off the car. Got our tires here with clean tarp wrapped on some old tires. Got our hood sitting on an old roof. And our fenders on some sawhorses. Now, I still got to find some stuff to set the hatch on. And then the bumper filler pieces. And I don't know what I'm going to set them on yet. Obviously something I don't want to paint, so we'll figure it out here pretty soon. Still got a mess to clean up in here, and I'm going to clean that up today after I get finished spraying paint out here. So we'll just see how it goes, and we'll go from there. So I'm going to figure out what else I can sit some stuff on, and I'll be back. And at this point, I've got everything kind of set up. Everything's wiped down, everything's scuffed. I'm going to take this body plug out here, but got both sides of our window taped up on the hatch. We got our old ugly fender here with our patch in it on the back side. I don't ever body work the back side. It's good solid weld, won't let water through it. Once it's primed and painted in here, you won't ever see it up in the car. If you would notice, I taped off the hood sticker. I just thought it'd be kind of cool to leave it saying it's a 3-cylinder. But our doors are ready, our hatch are ready. Basically everything's ready. So I'm going to keep progressing on here. Got our air up and mixing up some primer. So I'm going to get back to mixing here and I'll be back when I start spraying. Alright, we got all the primer sprayed on the bottom side surfaces here. Now, I did use a fast hardener on this. It is a little cool out to be spraying some paint. Just done a good light coat over everything. And anywhere there was rust, like in the bottom of these doors, I did actually put it on there pretty heavy. Anything to help. But everything's got a good, let's just call it a sealer coat on it. Because that's basically what we're doing. So I'm going to let this stuff dry for about an hour. I'm going to flip it. I'll prime the other side and I'll let it fully cure out. And then when the other side cures, I'll flip it back over and we'll paint the insides of this stuff green. So let's get busy. Alright, it's about an hour later. We're tacked up pretty good. I'm going to let the doors and the hatch and the bottom side of the hood dry a little longer before I flip them over. But I did go ahead and flip the fenders and I blew another coat on them on the top side. And as you can see, there's no downpipe hole no more. So pretty happy with how the reflections look on it. Pretty happy with how the shape come out. So I'm going to put another couple coats on these. Same on their top bumper fillers. And then I'm going to carry them in the garage and let them cure out because I need this stand to do the other side of the doors. So let's get back busy. Well, as always, weather's not our friend, so everything's in here. It's mostly tacked up. It's not fully cured yet. But I just got stuff kind of just hanging out and around. And in order to get my red car back in here, I've got to at least hang these doors back on this car. So can give them their 30 minutes or so and see what we got, and maybe I can handle them by then. For whatever reason today, the solids tried to, I guess because it was curing so slow, the solids had started to settle out of the primer a little bit, but not a big deal. I mean, I'm going to do something different there. Well, not sure what yet. But I'm going to get back busy, and I'll be back when there's some kind of cool update, maybe. Nobody likes to watch paint dry, so I'll be back soon. And alright, at this point, I just got the panel stuck back on the car. The bolts are finger tight in the hood, and the fenders are just sitting here. But the doors are bolted on, and so is our hatch back there. But basically, this thing's all one color for now. So where we go from here, I don't know. But I'm thinking that I may just put the car together. And like I said, our pigment and our primer kind of separated in places. It is not tiger striped. But basically, I'm probably going to put it together like it is for now. Our ECM's on its way back from Florida. So hopefully we'll have it by the first couple days of the week. And hopefully this thing will run. So basically, this is going to be it for a video today. I want to remind you, 500 subscribers, I'm going to do some kind of cool giveaway. I'm going to give away some kind of collectible. And at 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away something larger. Something even cooler. Make sure you check out the Battle of the Budget Builders race. I'll drop a little photo right here. It's got its own album on my page. And as always, I'll see you tomorrow.